Hi. Today we will see how to implement the data validation while using the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. I have already created a tutorial on how to use the VLOOKUP function. The link to that video is in the description. I will shortly summarize what we had done in that tutorial. In this table we have the names of the people in the first column, and their salaries in the second column. And when we type the name of a person in this cell, his salary gets mentioned here automatically. All this happens with the help of the VLOOKUP function of MS Excel. Let's see a quick demo of it. So as you can see, when I type the name of a person which is mentioned in the table above, his salary gets printed in the cell below automatically. Now, the problem is that I have to manually type the names here. And I could make typing mistakes. So instead of typing the names every time, what if we could have a list of these names and we just select a name out of that list? That would make this process easier and error-free. Let's see how to do that. First, click this cell where we type the names of the people. Then, click the Data option here. Then click the Data Validation option. Such a window will appear. Open this list. And select the List option. Now in this source box, we have to mention the range of the cells that we want to include in the list. Since we want to include these names, I will select all these names. Sometimes, the selection does not get activated, so you may have to click here once, and then again try to select the range. Now, the range has been selected correctly. And we can see the range mentioned here also. Now click Apply. Great! Now we can see a small drop-down button here. Upon clicking this button, we can see the list of all the names. And we can simply select the names instead of typing them each time. So that's it. That's how you can implement data validation while using the VLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. Thank you.